Let's see what the gold has done yesterday and what we can expect today. Yesterday, the price has formed a daily. We can see that a bullish candle, it is a bullish engulfing bar, which means the bulls has overtaken all the bears, the strength that they have placed the day before that. And we can see the price started from the support level at 2878.61. The price almost reached the next resistance, which is 2927.76. It has come very close, but could not made that to happen. And we can see what we can see here. It is currently the price is here, very close to the resistance level, which is around 29 or 20. If we make a round number, we can see that it is open and close of the candles here on the daily candles of the days before, which means a resistance level for the price. So let's take a look here on the lower time frame, which means on the 4-hour time frame we have 2921.22 as resistance level. And on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the 2921 and also 2914 is the area where the price has stopped, could not make its way upside. The price could not make a breakout yesterday. We can see that yesterday the price has gone from the support level around 2885.83. We can see that the bulls has overtaken on the market and pushed the price all the way back up. Yesterday I also shared with the traders a bullish breakout which has happened here with this small bullish candle where the price was targeting this level here, and the price was reached in the 3 hours after that. We can see that 2 hours after that, because this second candle has reached the take profit level. The price did not go below this area, below this candle, which means the stop loss was not activated. So this was a successful or profitable trades that I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. Do you want to join this premium analysis? Feel free to check the link below in the description. So after that, the price, we can see that reached the resistance level, bounced, and for several times the price tried to move up but could not make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. A supply zone where the sells are is very hard to break, and we can see the price could not also make a bearish breakout going all the way back below 2910.42. The price could not make that bearish breakout because also this bullish momentum that has took the price from this area of support, which is very close here, has prevented the price from going further down. So what we can expect today? Based on the daily time frame, it is a bullish engulfing candle, which means suggesting further rise in value. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are currently at the resistance level and the price cannot make breakout upstream, which means this is the strong resistance level which needs to be broken, like in this example here and here. And also we can see that the first support level on the 4-hour time frame will be around 2911. That needs to be broken in order to allow the price to drop down in value, going to the 2904.26. Now if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we will see that we have 2914.85 support level that is preventing the price from falling down, and the resistance level which is 2921. So these are two levels that needs to be broken in order to see the price going in any of the directions. The daily time frame currently shows me that here around 2910 is the first support level, and we have seen that it is around 2914 that is currently holding, and the next level where the price could go is around here, around 2899. Now the 4-hour time frame shows us that we are at the support level 2904. 2904, if we take a look here, it is here around this area of resistance. So this is the area, first of all, 2908, that needs to be broken. We can see that here for the price, and also very close to this one here, it is 2910. That is preventing the price from falling down. So currently what I am expecting today, I am expecting that the price will try to move further up, because we are currently in the bullish mode because of this bullish engulfing candle suggesting further decline. There is also a possibility that the price could drop down slightly here around this area, around 2908 price level, and then bounce back up. So first of all, what I'm expecting and to see is this area here, which is currently on the 1-hour time frame, that will show me where the price could go. This bearish breakout also could bounce from here, 2910.42, and return back up. If the price goes below this area of support, this will be indication of the further decline, where 2904.26 is the target. And if the price goes above 2921.22, it will suggest further rise in value. So first of all, currently I'm waiting to see where the price will make a breakout. But overall, on the daily time frame, we are in the bullish mode because of this bullish engulfing candle suggesting further rise in value. But the price could return slightly back down just to bounce again, like in this example 3 hours ago, where the price has reached the support level and bouncing back up. So we are currently waiting for the price to make a breakout from the small range on the 1 hour time frame in order to see where the price could go. But remember that this price level, it is very hard for the price to make a bullish breakout, because we can see it is a daily resistance level, the open and close of these candles, which is preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. If the price makes a daily candle a bullish breakout going above, this will suggest further rise in value going above 2927.76, reaching very close to 2952.97. So this is the target if the price goes above, and currently I am more bullish oriented than it is a bearish, and also I'm expecting that the price will try to make a bullish breakout above this resistance level, much more likely than it is going further down. But I'm not ruling out that the price could reach the support level here and then bounce back up. If the price makes a bearish breakout going below this one, I will inform the traders inside the premium analysis when this happens, like in this example yesterday, and where is the potential target, so they can also exit from their trades if they would like to receive this some kind of updates about the breakouts and also what is potential trading ideas. That's all for today. If you would like to receive these updates and talk to more about these breakouts, feel free to join the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.